And I'm using this is emerald. I'm gonna get few more beads on this. Oh, I can't wait to see you, Sharinda, doing this. I promise it's like really, really fun and really, really easy. No like hassle and stressful at all. Just don't use a lot of alcohol because our 40 gel is really flexible. You only need alcohol to clean off that sticky on the brush, just in case of your silicone tips is sticking with your 40, but you don't need it to get it's like melting. Again. So again, you're gonna do the same techniques as you're doing it with the petals. This one is your leaf. You're gonna do it and like press on the middle. Pour it right in the middle and press it down. Press it down again on the side. Using a tip, pour it to a little bit. Right there. Next one, same techniques. Separate it in the center. And then pour it.
Oh, good night, Cece.
Good night, Cece. You take care, Cece. I will see you tomorrow.
Hey, Skin Savvy Chick.
Hey, Skin Savvy Chick. Hey, love, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Same thing on this one. And we're doing this one again. That's the fourth, like a leaf.
There you go. Eric can be live on Sunday at 7:30.
This coming Sunday?
This coming Sunday, yes.
That's awesome, Eric.
MST. What's this MST?
Mountain Standard Time.
There we go.
Yep. Go, Eric.
If you guys have some time on Sunday, tune in to Eric. It's gonna be amazing.
Eric is doing so great. Can't wait to see him doing a lot of different cool design. If you are missing earlier today was Mika did live, really stunning design with fusion ink and crystal placement. This one is keep heating on that one. This one heating on that one. You see that? There you go. Alright, should we do one more right here? They are so talented. Mika, are you still there? Is the Mika on if you see like that, I can play around with this, but don't worry, get them all together and roll it again. Place it right back. Alright, it's ready. You can add more leaf on it as you wish. As a longer nails, you can absolutely do more. If Debbie's still here,
I think she's hard at work on it.
Shyness
so she
here.
can reach out.
It's shyness here if you are doing it with me. So I haven't cured the leaf yet. So I'm gonna fix it. If you want to, you can absolutely. If you are happy with this, we're gonna cure this one, okay? Cure for 60 seconds. Hey Jessica, are you with me? Are you practicing with me too?
So this one we did a little bit earlier. We're just waiting for that to cure.
Yep, that one is super cute. Let me know what you want to learn next, and then if you are having all of your products with you and then practice with me, so I absolutely enjoying with you. And here is a weaver gel. So I have a newest another 16 like 16 colors of weaver gel. I can't wait. I'm almost doing it today, but we're using it for our 40. We decided to do 40, that's why we didn't do it yet. I'm curious about this frame. Look, so curious. Okay, give me that. Eddie K, hey. Okay, so I'm just curious. That's too big. Do you have some of the obsidian? I need obsidians. Oh no, not obsidian. Go. All right, so let's do sunflower center. Okay, so condensed glue gels, of course. And I'm going to apply the condensed glue gels, really thick density. I'm not using it that way. Not too much because it's really thick density. Haha, good.
So Linda, Nancy been using 4D gel. You need to check them out. Check out our official website, glitzsuccessandsearch.com, or go through our IGTV library. There's tons of them.
Yes, Linda, I just using a 4D gel, which is these two colors. It's High Noon and Emerald. So then this is a great alternative for all of you who love doing 3D sculpting so much, or even like you start playing with this, it will never betray on you because it's not gonna set until you cure it. So you have so much, plenty of time to create different look before it's set. It will not cure until you cure it. So I am going to using a No Wipe top coat and place floating on the top of our uncured condensed glue gels. So I don't know, hope Debbie working okay there, because you asked for it. So then I'm gonna using my gold crystals. I am going to using the beads as well. I am using a different size of, how do I do that? Sticks right there. Different size of crystals, like and I'm going to put in the place a little metal beads along with that. I think you're using size SS8. Jessica, I can't wait to see you in the class.
Yes, Jessica, if you only have white, just do the white flower that Nancy did just now.
Yeah. Jessica, do white one like this, Jessica. Do this one. Do the one I said that you can do it. That's only, I did only one colors because I want all of you who just have one colors. You can using the same technique that I share. You don't have to do like necessary with the beads and everything. You can if you prefer. I do one more crystal right
Yep. So, ladies, I think Nancy said something to that degree. So, like they say, after you cure, 40 gel not gonna have that tacky layer, so they might or might not stick. But if any of you lady try, definitely give us your experience. See if you actually can color the flower petal.
because it's sticky. It's no tacky layer. So I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds.